Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today I am bringing back to you LUXSB. That's luxury scent box. I just received mine in the mail, and I told you guys, when you see that glittery packaging in the mail, get excited because it's coming. All right, so you guys saw the last video, and if you did not, you can click over and watch it and then come back to this one. I have two new fragrances and one repeat. I loved it so much, and my kids loved it so much that my first one is almost gone. The first fragrance that I want to share with you guys is the Shade in Blue White Peaches. This was the one in the last video that I featured. I took this out of town with me to Disney. I got lots of compliments. It was nice and cool and brisk up there, so when the wind is blowing, you know, your perfume is kind of blowing off of you and people are just like, what is that? And I was loving every moment of it, of course. And it's one of their niche fragrances. This isn't something that you see every day, that you know about, that you've heard about. So I was very excited to tell them what it was. So there it is right there. And it comes in one of the original cases, the black case. So I think when you order your first box, you will get the black case, if I'm not mistaken. You guys, I'm going to try to have everything down in the description box, but I believe you're going to get the black case the first time around. But that was White Peaches. Absolutely love it. Definitely smells like peaches. Definitely has a little bit of floral going on, but mostly fruity. It's very feminine, and I love this fragrance. The next one that I have is one of the niche fragrances as well. I let them pick. They did such a great job last time. I let them pick again. So this one is called Nutiva Jamaica. And guys, I have it sprayed on this hand. I got it inside of the golden black case. It smells so exotic and nice. So we're calling out all of our Caribbean sisters out there to try this out. It says that the notes in here are juicy mandarin, Plumeria blossoms, vanilla crystals, sheer vetiver, and white musk. And I think it's the white musk in it that really gets me. I love that. I really love that. I think that's a note that I really love. I never really got into notes before. If you watch my first video, you know I'm not like a perfume addict, because I always tried on perfumes and within an hour or two, I didn't smell them anymore. Like nothing worked well with my chemistry. So working with this company and being able to sample and try different perfumes every other month, this is really giving me a chance to see what works and what doesn't work on my skin. And I'm really appreciating this. So Nutiva Jamaica is a go. It is a great fragrance. My husband loves this. And you know you got to be careful when your hubby starts liking stuff. You got to be careful with wearing this. Okay, so we're going to move on to the third fragrance. The third fragrance, I don't know how to pronounce the name and everything, so I think that's TokyoMilk and Anthemoessa 84. I'm going to put it right here. It is so soft and powdery. I don't have the notes in front of me for this one. I'm just going on what I smell, but I sprayed it here on the card. It is so soft. Very, very feminine. Very feminine. So if you're into the powdery scent, very light, I feel like if you walk by with this on, people are just going to be like, what is that? Oh, that she smells so nice. This is a good one. Very, very nice. So I'm loving all three of these picks this time around, and I want you guys to give them a try. I'm going to leave all three in my description box. I'm also going to leave the notes that they have inside. So if you know a specific note that works well with your chemistry, you may want to try it out for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to leave that down below. And I don't know if I showed you guys, it came in the purple case. They're very easy to take out and just push right back in and replace. So awesome. You can carry them with you everywhere, anywhere you go. And I'm loving it. Remember, this is a $15 a month subscription box service. It's great for Christmas. We're getting into that season. It's going to be birthday time again. We're going into 2020. So Let's plan ahead and get those gifts ready for our loved ones. I'm going to leave the link for LUXSB, that's Luxury Scent Box, and my discount code down below. If you are interested, please use my discount code. Let the company know that you are supporting this channel and you love watching these videos. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.